Welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries, engineers, technical and non-technical staff of Tripura Power Transmission Limited, TPTL, and all others who have made it convenient to be among us on this joyous occasion. Following the operationalization of TPTL on 19 January 2023, TPTL has carved out multifaceted plans so that it can successfully establish itself as a reputable and premier entity in the power scenario of not only the Northeast India but in the entire nation. TPTL is marching forward with a goal of providing 24/7 quality power to the valued consumers of the state. Besides vigilant implementation of various ongoing power transmission projects in the state as well as planning for projects in the pipeline, like new EHV substations, transmission lines, reconductoring of existing transmission lines and augmentation of EHV substations, TPTL has also planned to take up various technology advancement adoption and innovations like mobile substation, live line maintenance, drone surveillance of EHV transmission lines, emergency restoration system, substation automation system, transmission line surge arrestor, partial discharge monitoring of power transformers, online condition monitoring of power transformers, app-based ground patrolling of intrastate transmission lines, online thermography and surveillance of EHV substation switchyards, online DC earth fault monitoring system and use of monopoles for power transmission. However, to concatenate all these smart ideas and give shape to a robust power transmission system of TPTL, we need faster, reliable, organized information. That is why TPTL has prioritized harnessing the power of information technology besides promoting innovation and work culture. Today we are witnessing another milestone achievement in the journey of TPTL towards excellence. Presenting the all-new digital library of Tripura Power Transmission Limited. www.dglib.tptl.co.in. Sharing knowledge, fueling progress, preserving for future accessibility. This digital library shall provide a platform where vast amounts of technical information are just a click away. Concerned TPTL officials can easily navigate through valuable work, related and general information, regardless of their geographical location. So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a quick glimpse of the digital library. To visit the digital library, just type www.dglib.tptl.co.in in the address bar of your desktop or mobile browser. This web-based library has been designed to be mobile-friendly for added convenience. Click the login link and enter your username and password. If you have not registered before, then click the registration link and register yourself with a username and password of your choice. On successful login, the user is directed to the home page or dashboard. The dashboard contains 3 sections. The first or top section displays the 7 most viewed ebooks in this entire library arranged in order of popularity. The second or middle section displays latest 5 ebooks from the browsing history of currently logged in user, so that the user do not have to search the library for the recent ebooks of his/her interest all over again. The third and bottom section contains links to external websites that are rich in general recreational reading content as well as technical content, especially in the power transmission sector. There are various options available for viewing the ebooks in the library. Let's begin with the bookshelf. The bookshelf allows you to view the books by cover page for easy identification at a glance, just as you would do if you visited a library physically. There are options for filtering the books on the left-hand pane. Use the drop-down boxes, which are very intuitive. On finding your desired ebook, click to view. There is a rich collection of ebooks in this digital library, such as the Indian Electricity Acts and Rules, adopted manuals of TPTL, Tower Schedule of Transmission Lines under TPTL, Indian Standard (IS) Manuals and Central Electricity Authority (CEA) Standard Specification Manuals, Central Board of Irrigation and Power (CBIP) Manuals, Tripura Power Map and Single Line Diagram of Tripura Power System Network, Single Line Diagram of Substations under TPTL, Asset details of TPTL, and much more. The next option for finding your desired ebook is with the Windows-style eBook Explorer. Here the user will get a pictorial hierarchical tree view of the ebooks organized according to various offices under TPTL. Just click to locate your desired ebook, as you do to locate and open a file in your desktop computer. Another useful section in the Explorer is the Quick Info pane. It is designed to provide the user with the first-hand information of the various offices, divisions or substations. Just a click on the Explorer presents the user with Google Map location, name and phone numbers of the in-charge or contact person from that office, division or substation. There is option to view recent pictures of the concerned offices as well. Check them out. Picture of 132 kV Ambassa substation, 79 Tila Grid substation, SM Nagar substation, 132 kV PK Bari substation, Bagafa substation, and many more. There are pictures of Urja Bhavan and other TPTL offices as well. This digital library is also equipped with an advanced search facility to make finding the desired ebook even easier. The user can just type in the search keywords and the search engine will list all matching entries from ebooks available in the library. The user can even sort the search results if necessary. For making the library richer and more productive, feedback in the form of comments and suggestion from the users is very necessary. The suggestion box can be found next to the login link. Feel free to submit your valuable comments and suggestions. In this way, everyone can contribute to the very purpose of having a digital library for our organization, TPTL. This digital library also embodies our commitment to fostering a culture of continuous learning and intellectual growth. For latest updates, visit the official website of TPTL, www.tptl.co.in, the digital library and the social media handles of TPTL. Our mission, TPTL, is committed to work towards better operation and maintenance of the transmission network to provide 24/7 quality power leading to a brighter and progressive Tripura. Long live power sector fraternity.